Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge IGCSE October-November 2024 paper 2-1 for extended students. So time to finish this paper is 1 hour 30 minutes and you know all the instructions. So now here we have the first question that I have here. A concert starts at 1950 and finishes 2 hours 42 minutes later. So the question is work out the time the concert finishes. So now the concert starts at 2:40. Sorry. The concert starts at 1950s, right? So this is the start time 1950 and it ends in 2 hours and 42 minutes later. So we are going to add that. So this is going to be 2, 5 plus 4, 9. This is 1, 21. Now this 92, these are actually these are hours and these are minutes. So this exceeds 60. So if I subtract 60 from here, so this will become actually this is 32 here, and this 160 will be 1 hour, and that 1 hour will be added over here. So that is 22:32. So this is the time when the concert is going to finish, right? Find the reciprocal of 1 over 4. So first of all, let's write it down. So 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So this will be 5 over 4. And now the reciprocal is going to be 4 over 5. Just swap the numerator and the denominator, right? So after this we have question number 3. Use one symbol greater, less than, greater or equal to make the statements true. So just convert these into fractions. So that is going to be this is going to be, when you divide 2 by 7, just use your calculator, 2, 5, 7, 1. Then we have here 99 over this is going to be 11 over 100. That is this is, yeah, we can write down 11 over 100, and this is also 11 over 100, right? So you can see this is 1 here, and this is 4 power 0 is also 1, right? So this 1 and 1, they are equal. These two are 11 over 100, 11 over 100, both are equal. And here the deciding factor is 28 and 28 is same. So deciding factor is 57. 57 is less than 61. So this is going to be less than, right? Number 4. Safia has piece of fabric of 5.6 meters. Safia cuts fabric into 2 parts with the length of in the ratio 3 to 4. Calculate the length of the longer part. If you see, the longer part is here is 4, right? So 4 is out of 7, right? 4 plus 3, the total. And then the total length of the fabric is 5.6. So we are going to multiply here 5.6. So calculate this. This is 3.2. So final answer is 3.2 meters, right? Number 5, here we have work out 3 into, we have this vector here. So this 3 is going to be multiplying to both the numbers inside. So 3 times 6 like this, then 3 times minus 4. So 6 times 3, it is 18 and minus 12. Okay. Now this we have just the addition, 4 plus there is negative 7 and negative 1 plus 5, right? So this is negative 4 and 7, this is going to be negative 3 and 4. So negative 3 and 4. Okay. Now number 6, we have here the diagram shows a right angle triangle ABC and quadrilateral EDCE. This is right angle, this bigger triangle ABC, and we have a quadrilateral AEC, this one, this from here, you see this arrow. Find the value of x. First of all, let's find out the value of x here. So as you can see, this is, you know, a straight line. So 180 minus 122 will be the value of x here, because this total is x plus 122 is 180, right? So when you subtract this, this is 58. So value of x is 58. Now next is find the value of y. So y is here. If you see, we have this y over here. So to find out y, we need to know these angles. If you see, we have this is 70. This, if you will take this triangle, the bigger triangle ABC. So in this triangle, this total angle is y plus 17. So y plus 17 plus 34 plus 19 will be 180, right? So because angles in a triangle add up to 180. So y plus 70, that angle at point C, then angle at B is 34, angle A is 90, and the total of all these is 180, right? So this is y plus 141 equals to 180. So that gives like y is 180 minus 141, that is 39. So value of y is 39. Okay. Now z is here. If you see, like z is here. Okay, so we can take this triangle. As you know that we have the value of x now. X is 58 here, right? So we have another quadrilateral here. You know, this one here. This is C, D, E, B, right? So all these, sum of all these angles is 360. So we are going to add all of these. 17 plus 34. This is going to be 17 plus 34 plus x. X is now 58 plus we have z, right? So this is 360. So when you do this, z is equal to 360 minus 109. It gives us like value of z as 251 degrees, right? So that was about this. I hope you guys are understanding all the questions. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and also share it with your friends, and write in the comment section about your feedback. I am really glad to help you guys, but your feedback is very important. So please let me know in the comment section how do you feel about this video. Now number 7, we have factorize. So as you can see, 28 and 35 both are multiples of 7. So 7 is common. So inside we will have 4x minus 5. So this is 7, 4x minus 5, right? Number 8, Edith invests 3000 in a saving account. The account pays simple interest at rate of 2.6 per year. And calculate the total interest earned at the end of the year. So formula of simple interest, as you know, is P R T over 100, where P is the principal amount and R is rate of interest and T is time, right? Then we have here, we are given that principal is 3000, rate of interest you can see is 2.6, and time is 3 years divided by 100, right? So when you calculate this, this is 234. So 234 is the final answer. Number 9, you can see this diagram. The diagram shows part of a regular polygon. This is part of the regular polygon. We have there the interior angle of the polygon is 132, larger than the exterior angle. Okay, so this is x plus 132. Calculate the number of sides of the polygon. Now if you see, this is the total, that is going to, this is a straight line. So these sum of the angles will be 180, right? So now x plus x is 2x, 180 minus 132, which is 48. So x will be 24. Now we got the value of x as 24. Now the number of sides of the polygon will be given by formula 360 over exterior angle. This is the formula to find out the number of sides. 360 over exterior angle, we have 24. So this gives us number of sides as 15. So we have 15 sides, right? Now next we have Jacinda plays a game with her friend. She can win, lose, draw the game. The probability that she wins the game is 0.28, and so we have three different things. We have here probability of winning, let's say I am denoting it by W, and we have probability of losing, right, and then we have probability of the draw, right. So the probability that she wins the game is 0.28, this is 0.28. Now next one, Jacinda is twice as likely to draw the game as to lose the game. So it's twice to draw the game as to lose the game. So if the losing probability of losing the game is x, then drawing is 2x, that is twice of that. So now it's easy, you see sum of all these should be 1, right. So 0.28 plus x plus 2x is 1. So 0.28 plus 3x is 1, and 3x is going to be 1 minus 0.28, which is 0.24. So sorry, 0.72. Let me rub this one. So this is 0.72. So x is divided by 3, divide by 3. So this is 0.24. Okay. Now she plays the game 150 times. Find the expected number of times she wins. She wins. The probability of winning the game is 0.28, right? 0.28. So if they play the game 150 times, so just going to multiply, which gives us 42. Okay. Now next one, here we have without using calculator workout. This one we have 5 1 over 3 minus 3 4 over 7, right. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So you must read all the instructions so that you don't miss out anything. 5 times 3 15 plus 1, it is 16 over 3, minus 4 7 times 3 21 plus 4, it is 25 over 7, right. So now the LCM is 21. So then we are going to multiply here by 7 and here by 3 to make it the denominator same. So 16 times 7 is 112 minus 75, which gives us 37 over 21. So this is when you divide 116 over 21. I'm sorry, this is 16, not 61. So 116 over 21. Now this is in the simplest form, we can't further simplify this, right. Now solve the simultaneous equations. So solving the simultaneous equations, you must show all your working. So we have these two equations. So the purpose is you should make one of these coefficient of x or y same, right. If I look here carefully, so it's easy to make 2y, when you multiply it by 3 it will become 6, right. So we are multiplying this equation, whole equation, by 3. So let me write both of them. 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. Then when you multiply, 3 will be multiplied to everything inside. 9x minus 3 times 2 is 6y, 17 times it's 51, right. So now let's add it. When you add this one, so this 6y and 6y get cancelled because the sign is different here. So 9 plus 5, it's 14x. When you they do this one is 42. So this gives us like x is equal to negative 42 over 14. So x is negative 3, right. So value of x is negative 3. Now you can substitute this value in any of these equations, right. I am taking equation 1 from here. So we have 5x plus 6y equals to 9, right. So 5x is negative 3 now, plus 6y equals to 9. This is negative 15 plus 6y equals to 9. 6y is 9 plus 15. 24 divide by 6 divide by 6. So, this is 4, right. So, y is now 4 and x is negative 3. Number 13, a sequence has nth term 3n square minus 1. Find the second term in this sequence. So, this is Tn, right, nth term 3n squared minus 1. To find out second term, n supposed to be 2. Okay. So, 3 times 4 minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, it is 11. So, this is 11. The table shows first 5 terms of the sequence A and B. Okay. Complete the table to show the nth term. Now, we have to go one by one. Let us say I am taking sequence A first. We have here negative 6, negative 2, 2, 6, 10, right. So, if you see, like we are getting next term by adding 4. Okay. So, next term we are getting by adding 4. So, that means common difference here is 4, right. So, we have the formula of nth term A n is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is negative 6 plus n minus 1, negative D is 4, right. So, just simplify this one. So, we have here negative 6 plus 4n minus 4. So, this is 4n minus 10. So, that is the nth term. We will write down over here, right. Now, next for sequence B, we have here 3, then we have 17, 55, 129, 251. Now, it is not easy like here to see the difference. So, let us I do not see like any fixed difference here that can help us to get the nth term. So, let us find the differences like this here. So, if I see here this 17 minus 3 is 14, 55 minus 17 it's 38, and this one is 74, this 122. Again, nothing is like similar that we can use. So, again we will be doing this subtraction to get the another term. This is 36 and 48, and again continue unless you get the same difference. Now, here I got the same difference, which is 12 and 12. So, here we have n is equal to 1, right. The next is going to be n squared. The third step is n cubed. So, that means we should have the nth term is n cubed, right. So, n cubed, when if I take a 1 here, now you have to use the trial and error method. So, if n is 1, the first one is 1, 1 cubed plus 2 gives 3. And if n is 1 here, n is 2. When n is 2, so this is going to be 2 cubed, that is 8, 8 plus 1 does not give us 17. So, that means it should be multiple of something. As this is even number, so this can be multiple of 2. So, if you take there n is 1, 2 n is 1 cube plus 1, right. This is 2 plus 3, it gives us first term. And when n is 2, then this is 2 cubed plus 1. This is 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 plus 1 17. So, it worked, right. So, 2n cubed plus 1 will be the nth term, right. So, that is it for this video, guys. Remaining question we will do in the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed. Kindly subscribe, and I will wait for your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video.